Good morning, family. I'm gonna tell you something, guys. Today's the motherfucking day. Happy Friday. I am passing these fucking combines right now. I swear to fuck. I don't care anymore. I just don't give a shit no more. Today's the day. Send out this little text. Everything's straight and normal. Let's get serious. Let's get focused. Dial in. All right, Apex. You and I. We have I believe, let me just make sure everything's correct. 26s. Here we go. Our only sets that we rocking. Yo, cool, good mythical morning, King. Let's get it, baby. Work, how we doing? Work? We crushed today. Let's go. Today's the day. I'm done messing around with this shit. You know what I'm saying? We're going to take money from this market like it's our job. Good morning, Queen. There she is. Welcome in, Danny. Hey, Corey. Same, King. How we doing? Welcome in, baby. And Paul. Let's go, family. Good Friday morning. End of the week. Let's end this week strong as just bull testicles. I don't know. Let's just be strong. Yesterday, we saw the range break. Right? We saw the range break down to the downside. Can I delete this, please? And continuation overnight, we just kind of got stuck on the same level from overnight. Still found some more selling into these 24,650s. Let's take a quick look at the hourly chart to see what kind of levels we could be looking for here. But that might be... We're already getting in below here. Could be interesting. Could be quite interesting. 721.50s I kind of like for maybe a short. Sad is we're already finding some selling off the open here. Opening print candle. Got us up into the 759s. All the way down into the 695s. So 50-point opening print candle. Already got the volatility, family. 50-point candle. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, my man. How we doing, King? Happy Friday. Let's go ahead and finish those combines that you passed yesterday, King. How many Apex have you got left? We got these 5, Queen. We got these 5. And then if they don't start another discount here soon, which I don't think that they're gonna, at least not for a little while, we're going to be running with probably MFF, maybe TPT, one of those two. Doing well, ready to catch a banger. That's my man. Me too, Corey. Let's get it. Matt Max, welcome in, King. How we doing? Happiest of the happy Friday vibes, baby. Let's get focused. Let's get paid. NASDAQ opening print candles up to the 763s. We opened at the 23s, and now we're already down in the 650s. So about 100 points in the first couple minutes here. Opportunities in, boys and girls. Kings and queens. The volatility appears to be in. Right, very good. Bloody good. What's the bottom of this price, this previous low down here at these 706s? And you can see the way we're reacting down here. I guess if we get explosive up and through here, we could find a little bit of buying. So far, I'm going to be patient, though. Want to see if the selling happens. Morning, fam. Good morning, TLR. Let's get this bread, King. I love it. Happy Friday. I haven't activated it yet. Still trading my last XFA. Once blown, then I will activate it. Well, you're going to take a payout first before you blow it. But I love it, Matrix. One at a time, King. No need to copy trade anymore. I love it. I love it. Short from the 700s. Oh, Danny, I'm so jealous, Queen. I wanted that same position. I was looking at the 720s, but I was also a little bit behind there. I love it. Good trading. Put that break even on. See what happens here. See if we get this, keep printing to the downside. We are just going to go for it again today, family. I just don't care. You know what I mean? I've lost enough lately that I just don't give a fuck anymore. We're just going to put the size on, put it happen, and see what happens. Yo, let's get crushing early, though, family. It's Friday vibes. You know what I'm saying? We're going to end the week here on the strongest of energy. Go ahead, and if we haven't yet, let's get the likes rolling real early. We already got 16 people in here. Let's get 10 right away. Let's get 10 likes just crushing right away. Maybe even 15 if you guys are crazy. I'm looking to join these downside momentum, potentially off the touch of this 7 price. I'm a little bit hesitant just watching this hourly chart, you can kind of see like this bottom here is something. So I want to just kind of, you know, be a little bit patient. But overall, we still have a lot of downside. We could come grab this 425. I like to see that maybe break. So if we get a nice clean break and continuation through these 700s, I'm going to be targeting that 400 maybe. Looking for some selling continuation here in the NASDAQ. Sadly, I think we're going to get some more continuation. I figured I mental can't handle copy trading anymore. Got to start slow and get back at the fee, back all the fees spent. Yes, sir. Matrix, that's what we got to do, King. Get paid. It's not about being right. It's about making more than we lose. And hey, King, one at a time is going to do it. I love it. Good morning, King. What's up, Jay Gatsby? What's up, fella? Think first time seeing your name, maybe second. So welcome in, King. Maxie, there he is. Let's go, baby. How we doing? Happy Friday, Maxie. Hope you're feeling great, King. Let's get focused. Selling in the NASDAQ pretty strong. Really got stuck below yesterday's range overnight. Couldn't even really push up any higher. Finding some more selling now. It's going to be interesting to see what happens back in around these 700s. It's going to be interesting to see what happens in around these 700s. Nice little reaction out of these longs so far. Inverting this. See what happens here. Strong push off these 627s back into the 700s. Almost 100 points here in the last 2 minutes. 90 points in the last 2-minute candles. Wild. The fucking range today is insane. 22nd. Hell yeah, second. That's what I thought. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you back, brother. Let's get paid on this Friday. Was looking up TP long into the 20s. Didn't take it though. Oh my word, family. 626 is into the 70s. 160 points in these last 3 candles. Really only off of these 2. 120 points off these last 2 candles. Okay. Okay. Not gonna lie to you, I will join that momentum. That's the thing about me. I will join this momentum. Dude, adding the upper and lower band to VWAP works so clean. The upper and lower band. You like that? Let's check it out. Upper band, bank, lower band, bank, apply, save. Interesting looking. A little bit noisy in my opinion off the top. But it is interesting looking. I appreciate it, Jay. I'm going to take it off for now, but something to look at, something to look at. Holy fuck though, guys. The strength out of these buyers right now. Strength out of these buyers right now is crazy. In 4 candles, we've had 4 bullish prints. Got from the 800s, from the 626s to the 800s. 180 points off these first couple candles. Good morning, Amy. Welcome in, King. I take this long. Let's go, Amy. Let's go, baby. What the what? 160 points, 1 to 2 minis. God, I love it, Amy. Congratulations. 100-point ticks, baby. Scary market might not trade today. You don't like this volatility, Maxie? She is a little terrifying. I like the opportunity, though. Yo, Jay, welcome in. Terp Derp, my man. Happy Friday, King. Let's go, Jay. Way to show love. Good morning, Pat. There he is. It's our moderator. Welcome in, King. Happy Friday. Yeah, I'm not going to lie to you, family. I am looking to join this buying volume. I really am. I'm going to wait for a pullback in around something healthy. Preferably like the easiest entry would be the 722s. Getting down there feels a little bit unlikely, though. Maybe. Yeah, it's 726 or so. See what happens. But I am looking to join this momentum, family. I'm going to put an order in right now. Buy 25.
Order rejected.
Order rejected? Well, why was it rejected now, mate? What was that for? I'm going to try again. Did I do anything wrong? Buy 25 limit.
Order rejected.
Hey, do I know what's going on here? Why am I getting my order rejected? $26, $27, $28, $29, $30. Save. 27, 26. Max, Micro, get that winning days. Let's go, Matrix. Good discipline. Good morning, Ty. Hey, newbie. There she is. Welcome in, Queen. Happy to have you here. Happy Friday. Be patient and disciplined. Wait for your setups. Let's get it. I love it, pal. Let's get it, King. Click on the group. I think I am, right? Let's try it again now. I wanted this price. See if we can get it. Buy 25. All right. Order went in now. Don't know what I was doing there, but we're in now. Why does he sound like that? Why does he sound like that? You talking to me? Oh, the order rejected. Yeah, I know. Is there a way to change that voice? That shit is funny to me. Order rejected. Sounds so angry at me. We sweep last Friday low, then buyers step in. Yep, that is what we see in right now, Amin. And I think they might have some continuation in their cards, but I'm not sure. VWAP's up above at the 862s. I'm looking for a pullback in around like the 730s roughly to find some continuation up. We'll see what happens. Click on where it says rejected. Appreciate it, May. We got it now, King, but I appreciate the heads up there. Could see along to the 900s. Yeah, that's kind of what I want to see too, King. I don't want to see a push right there away, Maxi. I want to get a little pullback entry, but might not get that opportunity. Might not get the opportunity to get the pullback. Sadly, I feel like we kind of have to put my order a little higher, and I don't even want to. You know what? I am not going to be trading 5 today. I don't think we need to because of the fucking range. So I might come in a little lower and try to grab like a couple here. Might just do 3 or so right at this EMA price. Because if I have 3 contracts, we can risk 60 per point. We have 2,500. So, yeah, I don't know. Might be enough drawdown. Don't like this volatility. 200 points in 5 minutes. It's just crazy. It's insane right now, Maxi, for sure. Anyone know if we're allowed to decline Top Step on the move to live after our 5th payout? I want to take my payout, but don't want to move to live. First of all, congratulations, newbie. Let's fucking go. Everyone drop a W for our queen. Getting to a potential live account. Up to her at this point, it sounds like. That's insane, newbie. So fucking proud of you. And I don't know if you're allowed to deny them. I don't think so, queen. I think you got to take, I think they forced that, but I'm not sure. I'm thinking sell side. We've just been dumping recently, but let's see. I like that, Pat. Right now, the strength, though. I mean, from the 626s down at low of day up into the 820s. We're up 200 points already in the first couple minutes. Insane. Congrats, newbie queen. Let's go. Everyone's showing love. So deserved. So happy for you, newbie. I think you have to go. Yeah, I think so, too. This my day 5. Let's go, Blake. Get that payout, king. Come on. Everyone's rolling today. I love it, family. Let's go. Happy Friday to all you guys. Yes, sir. I mean, love the energy. Def can't decline moving to live. That's a milestone. Hell yeah, newbie. I love it. Definitely a milestone, Pat. So we just got up to the 837s there. Starting to reject slightly. I'm buying this EMA pullback, family, at the 777s. A little risky, to be completely honest. A little bit risky. I think we could maybe come in and see these 761s. Might be the safer entry. Looks like I'm just going to get a little avoidant there. W Navy for sure. Thanks, everyone. So if I just don't take the payout and blow, they'll be upset and put me on the 1 account list too, I bet. Definitely possible, queen. If you do that, I don't know. I don't know that they will, but that they might not like that. Reject slightly. We tap 50% and rejected. Tap 50% of what, king? Value? I am going to update my order. I want, excuse me. I like the 777s, though. That's the thing about it. But I'm going to leave it at the 59s, even though we're just responding to this EMA incredibly bullish and printing to the upside right now. Wait till the 5-minute candle ends. Let's see, Amy. I don't mind that idea either. Right now, if you look at the hourly, we're starting to pretty much print right towards the VWAP and the EMA. And EMA's kind of starting to curl above it as well. So we could get that push to the 900s, like you said. So scary, Max. Yeah, it is, Amy. If you want to milk the firm, pay yourself and send it. Yeah, I ain't touching this. I like that discipline, Maxi. I don't mind that discipline. I have an order right now down to the 59s. We'll see if it's even an option. Kind of feels a little bit out there. If it goes down to the 40, 50s, must hold up for more up. Now you want to see the level 75 to 50 hold for more up. If we get a little dip into the 50s, I'm taking it. Taking the opportunity. What's good? How's everyone's morning, Saab? Good morning, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Happy Fridays. We're doing great. Aiming, crushing a 100-point trade. Newbies about to go live with Top Step. People's is winning. Vibes are high. It's Friday after all. Let's get it. Let's go, family. I love it. Was looking to long 628. Didn't take it, so might look like a no trade day. Oof. 628, my man. Shit. I hear you. That's some pain, Maxi, but hey, whatever. Lots of opportunity possibly today. Let's be patient. Pushing up into the VWAP. I wouldn't look to sell this. I would not look to sell this VWAP touch right now. The buyers look like they are in control. Pat, I think you're right. I'll just take it, get the live, and trade it heavy, I guess. Glory or bust, LOL. I think that's a great idea. Glory or bust, baby. At this point, you already made the big achievement. Take the payouts, bring it all the way. You bust it, well, you're back to combines and can do it all over again. I'm locked out already. Didn't feel like trading today. Taking my green week with me into the weekend to enjoy it. And that is how we find longevity. I love hearing that. W Sobs right there. Has had a pretty decent week, grabbing his little points consistently. Not being influenced by everyone else and what they're doing. Just sticking to his plan. Grabbing money. Locking out early on the Friday to grab the energy for the week. Go into the weekend with just positivity vibes. Carry that momentum next week. I love it, man. Congrats. Really good discipline, Sobs. I took it from the 650s, but too scary move, LOL. TP in the 1 minute. Didn't want to buy that selling volume. That's why I hesitated to, Max, even though it was printing into that previous Friday low there. And now we're up into the 860s. Insane. 240 points off the bottom here. Makes your heart race a bit, for sure, Maxi. Yes, sir. Let's go, King. Yes, sir. Subs. I love it. Pretty much testing into the 900s here. Right about where you said, Maxi. Just upside. Looking to still join them. Just got to be patient on a chance to get in. Yeah, I would have targeted the 9s. Yes, sir. Yo, there's already 26 amazing people watching the stream, family. If we haven't yet, easiest way, drop a thumbs up. Let's get this Friday stream popping. End the week on some energy. I'm long from the 760s. Scary shit. Let's go, Danny. Great long. You have right about where I want to get in at a fill. So I think that's a beautiful fill. Break even and ride or target the 9s. One of those two. Great trading queen. I switched to micros so I can control my risk. Amy, that's a good option. I think if I was funded, I would be. Right now, I'm just trying to get funded. So I'm a little bit more up to full porting. Want to get the opportunity to get a good fill. Or just to get the moves. Even one micro could have done some damage. Yep. I mean, this is insane. 260 points from the bottom at 9:34. So in 13 minutes, we just ripped up 260 points. All right, family, we've got enough to draw our box now. Oop, didn't mean that. Let's get the drawing tools, shops, little shoppies. Here's our opening print bottom. That's our first 15-minute range right there. It's our first 15-minute range right there. Look how aggressive the EMA is curling up as well into the VWAP here, into the 900s. There we go. Really impressive strength out of these longs right now. See what happens in around this hourly VWAP and EMA. Could be interesting into the 910s right now. Hurts seeing the 900 touch when I'm not in though. Damn. No worries, King. Plenty of opportunities. We don't get bothered by no FOMO. It's a beautiful move though. I won't cap. I mean, that's almost 300 points now. Just one direction is pretty painful to see. I agree, Max. But it's all right, baby. We're gonna grab ours, get our chances, get our opportunity. EMA is curling through the 15-minute range, about to cross through the VWAP now. Nothing but upside direction, pretty much from these 630s. So let's be patient here, but I like the pushing. I like this volume. We still have a long ways to go to get overnight high. We're right in the middle of the range right now. So anything could happen. Anything could happen. We're in the middle of the sell-off from last night. Pulled back into this. Hit that Friday low. Buyers stepped in. And see what happens, family. NASDAQ looking for today's high. That would be insane. Up into the 159s. You never know. We never know, I mean. Crazier shit has happened. That's a really nice bullish reaction through these sweeping the lows, though. Pre-market volume, overnight New York session, just enough volatility to push through the selling, and then we filled a bunch of higher time frame orders, it looks like. It's kind of the vibe that I think we can kind of start painting a picture. EMA now curled through the VWAP. NASDAQ still holding above around the 900 right now. Take today off and enjoy, King. Yes, sir. Let's commit a crime and rob Apex now, Ty. I got my PA accounts ready for launch next week. I know you got this, although I'm sure their rules will kill me as I don't know them. Better study this weekend. Yes, ma'am. It has been a little bit of a learning curve. I don't think I've been trading my best, though, but I think the opportunity is here, newbie. We can absolutely commit a well-organized robbery against these guys. We just got to do our best, trade well. The rules are a little interesting, but they're not exactly detrimental. They can still make a lot of money. I know a lot of people that make money with Apex, so if we're not doing it, it's not because the platform or anything's wrong. It's us. So I love it. I'm ready to ride with you, Queen. Let's make it happen next week. Right now, NASDAQ still holding this VWAP a little bit. EMA still curling through. Pretty much nothing but upside from these 620s. So let's see what happens when they get a little bit of a better pullback. Or maybe we don't. Maybe we hold the VWAP here strong. I wouldn't mind a pullback to top of the 15-minute range either. See what happens. Will do, brother. Yes, sir, Maxi. I think maybe we'll go down here again at these 20s. I could like that. I really could. See what happens with this EMA. If we can't cross through here, I think so too, Maxi. We're up 290 points. Let's go back to the 850s and see buyers' reaction there. Pretty much just tapped into that, King. Crazy. Insane volatility right now. The ranges are insane right now. I'm adding now. Let's go, Queen. Great trading, Danny. Got in at the 760s. She's up 140 points. Adding into her position. Letting this thing just carry through. Come on, Queen. I love it. Great trading on a Friday, Danny. Scalp the quick 200 off that retracement. Easy. Let's go, Terp. Let's go, Jay. 900 short. Be patient. See what happens. He grabbed a 900 short right down to the VWAP. I like that exit. Just look at it like you're learning a new language. It's frustrating, so you kind of spaz, but then bounce back stronger. That's exactly it. A little bit of spaz, a little bit of crash out, and then it's going to start clicking and making sense. And we're going to start putting balls in cups here. Little golf reference. Put some balls in some cups. Either chops or goes down some more is what I'm thinking. Great job, Danny. Yes, man. Let's go, baby. Show that love. Danny's crushing this trade. Come on, Queen. I love it on a Friday, Danny. 850 holds. More buyers step in now. 100 points up now. Yeah, I mean, the 850s did hold. We're holding the VWAP. I wouldn't be completely convinced that we're not going to get another retracement yet, but at the same time, I guess I wouldn't be surprised either. This is an incredible hourly print. Look at this, family. From the 620s into the 930s, a 300-point hourly print so far. I was just accustomed to live trailing because I trade TPT. Okay. TPT does it too, huh? Dirty little puppies. I'm not a fan of live trailing, but we will get better at it. And I will utilize it to grab a six-figure payout. Y'all hear me? I will do that with Apex. We will grab a six-figure payout. No doubt about it. Six-figure month. Something like that. Why you not take that trade in VWAP? I wanted to at least maybe see it touch the top of the 15-minute range. I don't like that we're just finding pure support at every touch right now. Would have been an EMA touch as well. There's a couple reasons why I didn't like that right there. EMA was still debating on if it wanted to curl through or not. We just hit a big level at the 920s that we could have seen a nice retracement. I wanted to see maybe the top of the 15-minute range. Just a couple reasons. But It did play out, so that's okay. Wish I can hold my long. Matrix getting better every day, King. It's not easy. And you also can't beat yourself up for not holding through this whole 300 points. I mean, this is just parabolic. But we can get better at holding positions. And every day we're getting better. So keep that awareness, King. Why you not take the trade? Gold going straight up, too. Really, is it? Ooh. Gold took a fucking beat, though. Oh, my word. Gold sold off 180 points last night. Or this... what? Gold sold off 180 points last night, family. Surely we keep printing to the upside here, right? Let's grab a little trend here. See if we notice anything on this gold real quick. No, can you give me my line, please? Thank you. Do we like a little gold long here? Do I like a little gold long here on the retest of this trend line to the upside? Doesn't really necessarily make sense that they're all printing together. NASDAQ into the 950s. Danny, what a trade. You're up 200 points, Queen, and you added back in at the VWAP. One of my favorites right now. Great trading, Queen. Gold going straight up. W, Danny, great trade. Absolutely, newbie. There goes the 4180s, LOL. Rip through there, man. Gold just found an absolute cliff overnight. Just an absolute cliff. Into the 4,032s. Holy fucking screaming baby this morning. Driving me nuts, LOL. Oh, sorry, Sobs. Upset, baby. Sorry to hear it, King. My roommate, my coworker just said that his daughter was sick overnight, too, so. Sorry to hear it. I was trying to get along at the 64s, but missed it. TLR. Sorry to hear that, too, brother. Would have been a nice little continuation trade. Just wild. Just insanity. Do you know what I'm saying? Yo, Ty, I'm in a little gold long 5 micros from the 4039s. Let's go, Spitzy. Welcome back, King. Love having you here from the 39s. Damn. Way to bottom take the reversal here, my man. I love it, Spitz. Congrats, King. Hold that thing. Yeah, she's teething and has a cold. That is a combination. That is a combination that will give a fussy baby. But she'll be okay. Getting those teethies is a big thing. Little teethies. Sorry to hear it, though, Sobs. Sick baby is the worst thing, especially as a papa. Don't want to see your kiddo not feeling good. NASDAQ still up into the 960s now. Just one direction. Just somebody said we're going up, and they didn't tell us. And this is all. Look at this. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 selling candles. And then we've printed 320 points to the upside. 340 points to the upside. Excuse me. Kind of like a little gold opportunity here, family. Am I being crazy, wilderness wild, or what? Because why do I like a little bit of a long opportunity on gold here? Even though NASDAQ's also printing to the upside, so... Feeling FOMO? Are you talking to me, Matrix? Am I feeling FOMO? Was that why I'm looking at gold? Or you are because of this move right here? Because I understand, King. Been in this, bro. WWs. Let's go, Pat. And caught a little 1.5 in the pre-market short in gold. No way. Let's go, Spitzy. I love it, man. Congrats on the trading. Do it. You got it. You got it. He likes it. TLR likes the gold option. Into the 75s. We'd be up a couple points already. I want one little retest of this trend line, but I don't really think that's how gold moves. That'd be like an NQ ask. I don't think that's how NQ does it. I am. Yeah, me too, Matrix. No worries. Yo, there's 26 amazing people watching stream, family. If we have not yet, let's hit that thumbs up. Let's end this week on some just straight crazy great vibes. Nothing else to do. Show some love. Easiest way to support the stream. And I swear I will pass these motherfucking accounts today. I'm going to hit this. Yeah, but yesterday I blown one account in Top Step. Today profit is in MFFU core funded. Hey, that's what we do at Spitzy. We don't got to be right all the time. Just got to make more than we lose. So as long as you can take from this MFF count more than the Top Step, then you're trading, baby. You're making profits. I'll long it here as well, but I'm taking my day off. You're longing gold too? Oh, look at the reaction to this EMA. Just finding some prints. Is that what you're saying, Work? You're long in this too? Pull back to the IB range high, then longs to overnight highs would be my trade if I was locked. If I wasn't locked. Pull back into the top of the 15, and then trade up into the 9 or 159s. Yeah, I don't mind that at all, Saab. I think that could be a really nice opportunity. See the reaction here. This is the first time they're kind of questioning if they want to hold through this EMA for the NASDAQ. Pull back to the IB range. Also, Ty, check Blue Guardian futures. Blue Guardian, huh? They have a dirt cheap accounts, and I heard they decent. W Spitzy. Sharing for the community right there. If anybody wants to check out Blue Guardian futures, we might give them a look. Give them a little look-ski, gook-ski. See how they do. Right now, though, got to get focused. Try to get paid. I like these 900s possibly. I think even safer is going to be the VWAP. See what happens. They have a 50K account for $40, no activation fee, and a payout cap of $13.50. 50K account for $40, no activation, and a $13.50K payout cap. Really attractive. Can you copy trade on that, Spitz? Can you trade more than one? The very day I'm not trading, the market respects my level perfectly and gives the move of a trader's dream, and it's clean. I'm about to be screaming too, Saab, LOL. Isn't that just the trader's life right there, newbie? Don't you just love being a trader? I'll get ticked, bottom ticked before a gorgeous move, or I won't trade and it will fly to our levels perfectly and respect everything. I only relate, Queen. But hey, that's what makes us strong. It's what gets us as better traders. One day we will catch those moves perfectly with leverage too. Not only are we gonna catch those moves one day, we're gonna grab those with leverage. You hear me? Let's go. Yes, sir. And Dow looks good to go up as well. Yes, sir. Dow looks good to go as well. So Dow's printing, gold starting to print. I want to find a long on gold. I just wanted to find a price that makes sense. I don't necessarily love. Here we go, gold. What you got? Excuse me, family. NASDAQ holding the VWAP. Kind of want an 857 long, maybe a little bit deeper into like the top of the 50-minute range. That's kind of what I want to target right now. Pretty much the top of the fucking 15-minute range, kind of like Saab was saying. Yes, sir. God damn, I feel that, newbie, but you know what? Perspective is everything. Sure, you missed today, but your trade idea is still valid. It worked, and the same opportunity will present itself again. Absolutely, Saabs. It will be here once again at some point, and you're going to grab that thing with so much leverage. You're going to be like, what is happening? I just made a fucking salary. The markets were here long before us and will continue long after us. Ain't that the truth? Just here, a blimp in the moment. We're just a little toot in the wind of temporariness. Hug people you love. Celebrate the small things, because life is not long, people. We're here for a very short time, but it can still be a great time. Let's see NASDAQ give us an opportunity. I would love a little pullback in around the 850s, top of the 15-minute range, just below VWAP. Give us a little long continuation, but I don't even know if we're going to get that opportunity, honestly. Still keeping an eye on a potential gold opportunity down to the pullback around like 66s. I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to buy a 66 long gold potentially here. Crazy? I don't know. Maybe. It might be. You, sir, are correct. I am just glad a lot of people have caught it and are making. Yes, ma'am. Love seeing everybody make some money. Up 1K. Let's go. Just like that. Let's go, Matrix. Come on, King. Grab that monies. Looking for a maybe fill of a gold long at the 66s. Might be way too out. We'll see what happens. Also watching NQ for potential into the 750s. I'm out, up 1,000 on the day. I'm good. Incredible. Drop a W for Danny. One of her best trades this morning. Grabbing so much points. Great entry at the 760s. Adds back in at the VWAP. I love it, Queen. Great trade on this Friday. Also showing great discipline by seeing your trade, watching it play out, and not FOMOing into a position. Good stuff, Crypto. Hell yeah, subs. That really is good practice. We don't need to catch every move. NASDAQ, I mean, gold starting to get rejected below this EMA. Could give us an opportunity for a maybe fill there. See what happens. Could get interesting. Could get interesting. Hell yeah, newbie. I love it. Way to show love, family. Way to show love. Great trading, Danny. Happiest of Friday vibes, people. Let's go. We're here. We're bringing the vibes. It's a great day. Great day to have a great day. Carry the momentum. Have a great weekend. You know what I'm saying? We're so blessed. So blessed to have any opportunity. Blessed to be alive. That gold looks like it doesn't really like Tyler's price down at the 66s. Kind of finding some more support up into around the 80s. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Gonna still be patient here. NASDAQ not being patient. Gave us a little tiniest of a dip into the 900s and they held it. Held the 900 strong there. I'm joining this momentum.
Order filled.
I have to. Look at this momentum on NASDAQ. I have to join this momentum on the NASDAQ here. Realized we did just go in with pretty decent size, sadly, though. Got to get a reaction at the top of this range. Wanted to see some continuation. We're just going to look for a little scalp, but already getting crushed. Holy shit. Might just be dead wrong. Yeah, that's engulfing. These are going to get busted. Wow. I'm a fish.
Order filled.
Oh my god, that's so frustrating. Wow. Wow, are you fucking serious? Well, that made me just, wow. Thanks all. Hopefully I can keep going and get back to funded. You will, Dan. I know it. That was really good trading. I asked now Blue Garden support. You can trade 3 funded and unlimited evals, 3 at a time. Really considering trying them. What the fuck was that? Are you serious? We get a nice dip into the 900s. They find some support. We push back up into the 986s and then find an immediately same size selling candle. Like, fuck me, man. We're just looking for a little scalp, dude. And now look. Just perfect. Why are you full porting? You just bet your stop in one account, one trade. That's what you got to do with Apex, King. I'm telling you. With that trailing drawdown, there's no other option. You got to be willing to put it in. No stop loss? No, Pat. Had to let it play. Had to give that 2,500 drawdown, or 27 is what we just lost. looking to try to just make the little push. I was just looking for a little move there, a little continuation. Wanted to see the 500s get threatened, but we got to retry. Blew them. Motherfucker, man. Like, seriously, what the fuck was that engulfing candle back the other way? The only time we've seen that today. That's so annoying. The only time we've seen that today. Of fucking course. Because I get in. Like, you just can't make this shit up, man. Oh. Hey, anyone notice a common trend here? Did I just get bottom ticked or what? Anybody notice a common fucking trend here or what? Like, you just can't make this shit up. Why did we get the biggest engulfing candle exactly after a fucking... Oh, dude. It's unreal. I mean, I'd still be down $1,000. Let's see if it even goes. If it goes back to the lows, I don't even care. If it goes back to lows here, I don't give a shit. But if I just get bottom ticked a fucking again because of a ridiculous... What was this? 83 to the 71-point candle. A 71-point candle to just stop us out and then right back to our fucking price. Oh, my word. That, my friend, was a NASDAQ being an ass per usual. That is fucking unreal. Oh my word. I just can't. Apex for sure will have a Thanksgiving sale. Apex better because I'm going to steal money from this fucking prop firm. I do not care. This is now, it's personal. It's so personal now. Like, are you fucking kidding me? It's okay, King. We'll do better again next week. We for sure will, Matrix. But are you serious? We just grabbed a shitty price. That's what that tells me. I just traded like shit. I got at the top of the range. I don't fucking know. You happen to bought at the resistance level? Yep, I sure did. Matrix. Yo, Ty, try switching to trading one account to build the confidence back. Respectfully, I can't do that, Spitzy. It's not confidence that's my problem. I don't give a fuck, man. Like it's not that. It's just and at this point I can't do that either because when it does play out, like, think about it this way. My chances of hitting it, technically this isn't completely true. I am so frustrated there though. What the fuck was this fake buying? And why did I get tricked by it so bad, man? My God. Trading like shit. We get a beautiful rejection down in these 900s. Find the support. Push back up with the biggest bullish print candle. Look at this thing. Doesn't even have a fucking wick on it. Get a little dip into the range. I buy the dip. Yeah, and I get murdered. But the reason I'm not doing that, Spitzy, even though I love the advice, King, and definitely not bad advice for people doing that, but for me, it's because, A, I can afford to, and then B, the real reason is because now that I've lost so many times, my chances of hitting it are going up, right? So it's now getting closer to the time I should start even sizing up a bit more. Not to follow the downtrend, but because I know I'm a good trader statistically. I'm just getting fucking murdered. I mean, this was not a good trade. I'm not going to lie to you guys. This was really not a good trade. So, but outside of that, you know, not looking at that, yeah, my chances of doing it, taking an account up, are just going up through all the losses I've been having. So statistically, it's more in my favor for financial probability to continue to trade with size right now or with more accounts. But it does fucking suck. No 1 minute ATR is around 40 index points. Yeah, well, that was a 70 fucking point candle, so I get it. If this pulls into these 750s and bounces out, or these 857s like I was looking at, and bounces out, I'm gonna be so mad. This is gonna be too. Why did I rushed my trade so early there? God, family, that's frustrating. That was my worst trade I've taken in a while, I feel like. Oh my god, it's so annoying. It's what I call the Apex curse. Great traders trade horribly trying to play their game. You will get it, but it's vexing. So vexing. It's fucking annoying. Oh, you can't take a single dollar in drawdown, so you have to look for these tiny little scalps, and you have to put in with leverage so you can try to grab moits, and it does push you off of good trading habits, but whatever. That's an $800 move with one contract, no breathing room at all. It's an $800 move with one contract, no breathing room at all. Yeah, I mean, you're right, dude. You're killing. You're dead right. Just keep at it. Know your strat and follow it. Appreciate it, newbie. You're right, queen. Just fucking frustrating sometimes. Just been losing. But that's the best part about trading, family, is you can lose, win one time and win more than you ever lost. So that pullback into the VWAP is just textbook at this point. Did that get into the 15-minute range too? Just about. I mean, this is just textbook. I'm so fucking annoyed. This action is crazy. I lost my 150K. We'll reset it Monday. Shaking my head. You got it, King. That's a good worth. That's a worth the reset. We ride back, Kev. How much does it cost one account Apex, and is there an activation fee? So I bought these account spits when they had the deal going on. Oh my god, I'm so frustrated. Why did I buy that 900 support candle to push to the top of the range, and then I get shorted to the fucking bottom of the VWAP, and then VWAP is the play of the day? Why did I not wait for that VWAP pullback? Textbook VWAP trade here, family. Textbook. Man, I'm so disappointed in myself. God. How much does it cost though? Spitzy, I bought these accounts when they were, it was 56 or 58. It's $56 per account. Look at this fucking. I really thought once they defended these 900 and we got this bullish print, this was happening again here, and we're going to keep pushing higher. And they tricked me. I got in, and then they found some support at the VWAP. It's so fucking frustrating. I can't even answer your question. That's how annoyed I am, Spitz. Sorry. Yeah, it was $56 per account, King. Activation's $40. So all in total, if you pass, an account is $96. And that's really affordable if you think about it. With 20 accounts, it's only like $2,000. So really affordable. When you could turn $2,000 into $40,000, that's really, really good math. And I will take a fucking max 40K payout of these. I'm so, ooh, dude. I hit my daily loss limit while scaling into buys with gold. Here I was literally trying to disable it, laugh my ass off. Sorry to hear it, Alcalonia. Sorry to hear it, King. Never got our fill there either. I went back to Sim for a couple weeks and learned so much. Really developed the shit out of my risk management system. My experience was priceless. People don't like going back to Sim though. It's usually a hard transition, Jay, but also if it you got to find what works for you and get through that phase. So W for doing it. Hope it keeps playing out and grab some money with it. These evals you have to find the perfect setup, go all in and trail super tight. It gets super frustrating trading that way for sure. Yeah, Danny, it is frustrating. This doesn't feel like fucking trading at all. Just doesn't feel like trading at all. It just feels like I'm poking and this Apex makes me feel like you're poking candles. Like I'm like, oh, I need this candle to play out. That's why I jumped in with this candle. All I was looking for was a little rotation to the upside. I was gonna scale out, a little quick scalp to the 500s, whatever. Nope, we get a 70 fucking point candle the other way. Bottom ticks me, perfectly bottom ticks me. Gets right back to my price. Goes to VWAP, which was the trade of the day. It's cleanest VWAP setup we've had in a while. Just textbook. And I had no fucking no liquidity to even try. That's where I'm frustrated. Because I took one trade earlier. Tried. Fuck me. Fuck. Shit. Fuck. You're not losing. You're learning and being charitable. Being charitable to Apex. I don't want to be charitable to them. Write it off on taxes and go on vacation. Let's go, Queen. W mindset. Queen mindset right there. Appreciate you, newbie. What's the plan for the weekend, Ty? You getting litty? I have no other option now, Sab. I'm going to go drink my sorroways in the bottom of I'm just kidding. No, I don't drink. Yeah, I have a plan tonight to go hang out with a friend, so that'll be cool. And then I think I actually might be trying to go buy a new phone tomorrow because my phone is, I bring it down with me everywhere I go, down to like the grow. And so it gets like a lot of like things, Keith, I've dropped it. The SIM card isn't working. It's hard to hear me. So I'm going to have to be buying a new phone. So that might be in the plays. And then, yeah, probably just that. Just some chill stuff. What about you, King? What's the weekend look like for us, family? Tough, bro. Yeah, TLR, it is, King. Whatever. What the fuck ever. Just disappointed myself. I got faked out. At this 900 level support. They supported it so well. They pushed back up, reclaimed strength to the high of the day. I'm like, oh, we're going to keep fucking pushing. Yeah, you're a fucking fish. That was a fish trade. I broke my rule and just longed the VWAP, trying to get that extra 500. And just longed the VWAP. Well, Queen, I hope it played out for you. I think it did. So, not a bad play, Danny. What's good, peeps? There he is. Saucy. There he is. Had to finish the invitation finals. What a video. Yeah, I watched that last night. I was up at 3 a.m. watching that. Gold hit my DLL on 2 evals, entering too early for longs. Fuck, Max. Sorry, King. What up, Zob? Don't spoil for Ty. No, you're good. I already seen it. Portnoy and Wit chirping each other all series been my favorite part. LOL. That was hilarious, bro. You're like a diabetic. You just keep lying about shit lately. I think that 70-point move was just normal since ATR is high today. It's a crazy Friday. Yeah, dude, it was normal. It's nothing. It wasn't personal. It was nothing that... NASDAQ wasn't hunting my stops here. It was just shitty trading on my part, to be completely transparent. This is bad trading. This is my fault. I love it, dude. Dave's such an ass. My man's phone is getting baked. Love it. Yeah. No, there's so much Keith locked in my shit. It's literally, I need a new one, subs. Hanging out with my family tomorrow, playing the new Donkey Kong. Oh my god, Danny wins. Danny wins the weekend. Family vibes, playing a new DK. Come on. Now at work, truly done. You better hit that lockout, Queen. You just traded like a professional today. You better hit that lockout and enjoy your weekend. Great trading out of Danny today, guys. Work today and tomorrow. Other than that, getting stoned, probably gaming with the boys a bit and hanging with the fam, which would watch some movies or something. That sounds like a stellar weekend too, subs. It's a little bit of Mary Jane and gaming with the boys. I know that meant me turning up that Battlefield 6. Just dropping red set kills. If I wasn't at work, I may have cried for the ending. That was a sad ending. Great move, great episode, great video. Just the most fantastic golf video of all time. $1 million fucking reward. It was insane. Down to the 18th hole. And then Sir Frankie puts it in the cup. In the drink. How do people make 10K per day in the 50K accounts? Must be crazy. Here I am trying to get 2K. They're crazy, Max, Matrix. They also just probably have a lot of experience. I mean, think about it this way. You could make 10 grand today easily with 1 or 2 contracts. Like, that's the type of range that we're seeing today. So I guess not 1 contract. They probably grabbed a 100-point contract with 5 and made 10 grand. Like, think about it this way. If I longed VWAP with 5 fucking contracts, Matrix, I almost just made 10 grand at the top of this. Actually, I did. If I grabbed this VWAP price with 5 contracts on a 50K account, because you can do that, 50K account, 5 contracts, and you just rode 3 candles up, you just made 10 grand. Doesn't that just make you like, what the fuck? In 3 candles, if you bought VWAP with 5 contracts, which again, this is a textbook trade, with the 5 contracts at VWAP, you just made 10 grand in 3 candles. Fucking nuts. That's the opportunity that we have, family. That is why we are trading. What are we trading for? We're trading for freedom. We're trading for the opportunity to make 10 grand in 3 fucking minutes. And that could have been copied on multiple accounts. You could have made a motherfucking salary in 3 minutes long in the VWAP with leverage. I love it. That's why I don't get upset. I mean, I get upset, but that's why we keep coming back, family. Can change our lives at any moment. Just keep showing up, especially with 2K drawdown. Yeah, I mean, a little bit of it is luck. It's just finding that entry, Matrix. I was 1 trade away from passing today. This is getting annoying. I need next week to be a good week, or I'm suing the NYSE. Alcalonian. I love it, King. You got it. Next week's gonna be a great week. Keep that motivation, get that mindset. We crushed. That Dow going up after the equal was created, but I'm off for the day. But whoever caught it, big time right now. Training. Work, it was easy, huh? Gold isn't moving. But Dow's printing apparently. Gonna lock it up. Don't like huge price swings, and my little fundeds can't handle it. Taking my green week for a walk. I love it, Corey. Great discipline, King. Hey, great trading, man. Way to lock it in. Way to lock that shit in. They most likely have a high balance where they can size up, or they just gambling, or they're just really confident in their trade ideas. Those are the options. A little bit of luck. Nice little entry on a... You got a beautiful entry like that VWAP pullback. I don't know. I should have probably stayed home with that Dow playing on my face like that right now. I love it, Matrix. Work. You just gave me an idea, Ty. I'm taking notes. 5 cons and 3 candles. Look at it. Look at this here, newbie. If you were a fucking goat for some reason and bought this 650 price or 640, 630, anywhere around here, 3 candles, you just made 10 grand there, and some change. Actually made more than 10 grand in 3 candles. You made 10 grand in 3 candles here. Like, shit's just crazy. Shit is just crazy. Holy shit. And I just cannot hit a trade to save my life lately. I'm ready to just fucking... Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm not religious. That was just a joke. To each their own. South Korea imports no Iranian crude oil in October. Well, yo, there's 30 people watching, family. I've been struggling, so it's understandable. But if y'all are here showing love, supporting, let's hit that like button. Can we get to 25? Can we get 25? Could we get 5 less than how many people are hanging out? It'd mean the most. End the week on a strong vibe. Bring it into next week. And I'm going to fucking smash. Next week, guys, by the way, looks like it's going to be MFF. We're going to be trading with MFF next week. My Funded Futures. Give them a whirl. See what that looks like. We can't trade with Apex because they're not going to run any discounts. So we're going to wait for a little Thanksgiving sale. Probably. See what happens. These candles are choppy. Wick, no good. I know, and I got caught in it, and I'm so upset with myself. I got caught off of buying the volume like a fucking loser. That is such bad vibes. I was just looking for a little continuation, a little print. Instead, I get the 70-point rejection from the top of the range, which is so normal. And then it goes fills VWAP, and then the longs get resupplied, and now look at it. This is just going to keep printing to the upside, and get the new scale plan with the daily payouts for MFF. New daily scale plan. Is that the one? That's the one I have to buy add-ons, right, group? That's the one I have to buy add-ons to get to, like, the 3K payout or something like that for MFF. Anyone doing some Black Friday shopping? Great option. Great question, TLR. Me personally, probably not. Me personally, probably not. At least nothing crazy. I don't have anything that I'm like, oh, I need to go grab that deal. But I love it. Maybe. What are we looking at? What kind of good deals are we looking at for Black Friday, family? Add-ons are free for 50Ks. Oh, okay. But I do have to add on the 3K payout. Is that correct or no? Here we go. 25,000 the NASDAQs. Like I was hoping to see long minutes ago before I got fucking kicked out. Just printing to the upside here. Another opportunity, guys. 2 candles. Okay? 2 candles. 10 grand. Not 3 candles anymore. 2 fucking candles. If you bought this previous spot, you just made 10 grand. The range today is unreal. This is a life-changing range today, family. In 2 fucking candles, you could have just made 10 grand with 5 contracts. This is why we trade. In 2 candles, it just moved 100 points at 10:30. Wow. You can do an add-on daily payout. It's MFF. You don't have to buy the add-on, or at least I don't think so. I did have the 4 core with the add-on, and I had before the new scale. I didn't pay extra for either. Okay. W Insights. I am shocked by this volatility right now, family. 100 points 120 points in 3 candles all over again. 112,000. Wow. 12,000 points with 5 contracts and 3 candles. Yep. Opportunities. Change our life at any moment forever. So 4 core and 1 scale. No extra fees. No extra fees. So 4 core and 1 scale. Interesting. Me, I'm for sure going Black Friday shopping, looking for that new TV 85 inch so I can put that motherfucker in my living room. Let's go work. Beautiful little 85 incher, a big old wall, just an electronic wall. I love it. I love it. Holy shit. I'm so frustrated. Look at this opportunity today, and I'm a fish. Look at this, by the way, family. This candle, I was hoping to see this. See how there's 1 followed? And then there's 2 here, and there's 3 here. Why did I get the fucking one with only 1? Look at this. 2 giant buy candles. 3 giant buy candles. 2 giant buy candles. 1 giant buy candle. You think this might have a continuation? No. It's not going to because Tyler bought it. No continuation here. Damn work. Big ass TV. Confucius says, basketball players always dribble before they shoot. If you can master that, then the sky's the limit. Sobs. Huge psychology or physiology, or what is that? My brain is sleeping today. I was up at 3 a.m. watching the fucking... Why was I doing that? I don't know. I couldn't sleep. I was up at 3 a.m. watching that golf video. The Invitational Final. Try trading the North Korea session. What is... What do you mean? What do you mean, Alcalonia? That's not a funny way to say the Asia session, is it? Don't clip that if you. That's not what you meant. Don't clip that. Laugh my ass off, Ty. They heard it when you clicked the mouse and turned around the mid-rise. They're like, he's in. We're not fucking going up. No. We're not going up. You have a. Look at this. 26 to the 70. So that was almost a 100-point candle, actually. That's fucking gross. Oh, no. 42s to the 70s. So, 80-point candle. Another, followed by another 80-point candle. Okay, cool. Oh, look. An 70-point candle. Surely that's going to find some continuation. No. But these 3 are going to continue. These are going to continue. But you're going to buy the one 80-point candle that's going to find immediately selling after. Show me any other fucking candle on here that moved up over 70 points and didn't continue at least a little bit. Oh, that's right. The one Tyler bought. Motherfuckers. Nah, bro. I heard someone say they were trading Atlanta session. Atlanta session, huh? I think Bognotoff's watching you, Ty. Why? Get out of here then. You know what I mean? If you're watching, go home. Leave. I need the free. I need you. I need the markets to play out fairly when I'm doing shit. Literally any continuation off that. Look at this. Look at this thing. Why? Not even a fucking lick of continuation. Good deal for real. They going for like 1.2 right now, and they got them for like 600. So it's crazy. You got to take advantage of that. That's 50% off a big old wall TV. Shoot, maybe I got to go grab one of those. I don't even watch TV like that though. I don't know. We need Max to provide those insider trader tips again. I know, TLR. Man was in here a little while, said that he didn't like today's range, just too much volatility, and then got out. Yo, I don't know how many. Let me know, family, how many likes we got. Let me tell you something. We need to get to that. We need 20. I need at least 20. At least 20. But if we could get 25, that would be a motherfucking W for Friday. I know. It's a little bit up there, and the trading this week has not been stellar. I think I've blown every fucking. I don't think I've taken a winning trade. It feels like I haven't taken a single winning trade all fucking week. So do I deserve 25 likes from you guys? I don't know. Honestly, that's debatable, but 20, I think so. We deserve 20. Let's give our king some likes, emotional support. Yeah, I need a hug in the form of a like, family. Because otherwise, I am just tilting. I cannot take a fucking winning trade every single time. It's kind of trying these new fucking trailing drawdown, trading with leverage. Sucks. You have to relearn everything. I feel like I'm relearning how to walk. And I got fucking shitty knees. Getting my like unconditionally. You're the man, Mad Max. Unconditional likes. That's what we do here, family. We unconditional like. We unconditional love. Because that's all we want to see. Everybody succeeding. 25,020s in the NASDAQ. Do you guys get that we're fucking 400 points up? We're 400 points up today. Wow. Being charitable doesn't mean you don't deserve likes, Ty. You're being a model citizen. Because I'm donating to Apex. They don't need my money. They don't need my support. They don't need my continued support. But I am just donating to them. Of course you do. Is that even a question? You come out here every day and put a smile on your faces and try your best to give these great ass setups. Hey, work. Don't make me blush now, King. Come on, family. Let's fucking go. I hit the like button as soon as you clicked by. You're my queen. Let's go. As soon as we get in there and I just immediately bought the top, you mean? When I bought this top and was just fish. This was fish trading. Why? Because why would I ever see a 70? What was this? Exactly. What was it? 15 to the 85s. Why would I ever see a 70-point candle find continuation? No, we're going to find an exact engulfing candle the other way. That's what we're going to find because Tyler got in. Look at this thing. It just doesn't even look right. To find this strong, no wick at the top of this. Ew. And of course, I get cutting it. Quick scalp short. Snatch Savage. Good trading, King. Good luck. Hope you can get it there. Welcome in. First time I think I've seen your name, chatter. So, welcome. Up 400 points New York session, but still 0.3% on the day. Crazy. I know. That is actually fucking wild. Great insight by Sobs. We're still down 70 points on the day, even though we're up 400 points in the New York session. Great insight in just wilderness. This is absolutely fucking crazy times, family. Wild. Should have reeled price in like the guy from yesterday. Put that price out there and just start hooking that. Get that mother. I think I tried, but it just snapped my line. Couldn't hold. Ty, you got to do what I do when I do questionable stuff. Laugh, crack at a few jokes, and do it again until it works. That's that. Everybody really take this shit in because that's absolutely all we can do. And no matter what it is, by the way, family, no matter what it is that's happening outside, even if outside of the charts, when life happens to you, no matter what the fuck it is, put a smile on your face, take it in, crack a joke or two, and just keep going forward. That's all we can do, family. Trading is no exception. That's why people are like, oh, how come you always got vibes? How come you're always happy? Because what are we doing here? We're here trading candlesticks, interacting with friends, having the opportunity of watching 400 points in the NASDAQ. It could change your life. If you bought the bottom of this with one contract, $8,000. One fucking contract is $8,000 right now. Okay? That's why we're having a great time, because we're watching the opportunity of life, of money move and flow all around us at every moment. And it's just our job to get a little bit better at grabbing it. Like, why would I see? Look at this. This is what I expect when I see 70-point candles. Nice push and support and continuation. I get a 70-point push. Nope. Nah, you're wrong. You're dead. We're taking your liquidity. Like, what the fuck? The fishing rod strategy. That's the Sobs. He snapped his line. I'm actually dying. That shit just snapped fast. It wasn't even close. I got the bottom. I was pulling on bottom or something. Just tugged my shit. It's all about the mindset. Absolutely, Danny. Why you didn't buy after this huge volume and big green candle? Why didn't I do that? Why would I buy after a nice volume and a giant green candle pushing through the range? Why would I expect any continuation at all? Why me? Like, what am I doing? Why would I expect that, right, Snatch? Yeah, we need to know what rods and lines you use. I do need that insight, Sobs, because I need some better line people here. Look at the NASDAQ, though. Seriously, getting really close to opening print price of the day. This is where the Asia session opened up at the 25,095s. Looks like we're going to go take that liquidity pretty easily, honestly. Nothing but upside. Look at the hourly chart here, family. From the 426s up into the 5,050s. I mean, you just can't make it up. We're 420 points to the upside right now. Hey, 420. I got you, right? I got you, bro, right here. Everything you need in the kit right there. Let's go. Shab's sharing the insight to grab the big fish. I just can't make this shit up. I just can't make this shit up. We grabbed the only candle that had no continuation off it today. Pretty fucking sick. It's pretty awesome. That makes me feel really just stellar. No, that makes me feel just fantastic. Unquestionably perfect. I could not have drawn that better myself. Thank you, NASDAQ, for providing a unique experience to me this morning. Genuinely appreciate that. Just a unique experience. I'm gonna take this one in the lesson book and be like, hey, next time you buy a fucking giant buy volume with candle, with volume, and we're pushing up, just, you know, aggressively buying today, and we respect the EMA, be cautious, because you might be early. 100K USD is life-changing, not 10K, bro. The fact that you can make 100K, you can make 10K with one fucking account, with one contract, buddy, is life-changing. Imagine 2 contracts, that's 16 grand. Imagine 3 contracts, you know what I'm saying? That's $24,000. Now imagine 3 contracts on 5 accounts. You just made $125,000. This is life-changing range, my friend. If you don't think this is life-changing range, I'm sorry, but this is life-changing range. The market has moved 430 fucking points in an hour. Okay? Life-changing. And 10K for some people is life-changing. It's a great, well said. 10K for some people is a brand new car. 10K for some people's fucking groceries and less stress for food for a while. 10K for some people is absolutely life-changing. It also depends on where you live. If it's life-changing for my wife's family with half a micro. I mean, well said. Especially if you're not in America. Anywhere outside of this country, you don't even need, like she said, a half a micro and a third of this range, and you're happy. So yeah, I disagree. But I understand what you're saying, King. If we're talking that standard, 100K isn't even necessarily freedom. If you don't appreciate the little stuff, then you don't deserve the big ones. Come on. I love it, Danny. I love it, Queen. Every single day, we have the chance to change our existence. And today is one of those days, family. This is a fucking Free Money Friday. Free Money Friday with the market moving 430 points. Nope. 450 points now because we just keep ripping highs. 450 points. Life-changing range. Like, oh my fucking God. Wow. These are the type of days that you wouldn't even mind consider buying in a straight to funded account, just to try to grab some money. You could make 5 figures in a day today easily. Free Money Friday and haven't gotten shit. Yeah, me neither. You see me losing TLR. I'm just here talking about it, so I understand. Okay, you are right. Yeah, I know where it's snatch. We got to be happy with $10. We can be happy with 10,000. We can be happy with 10 million. If you can't be happy with $10, you can't be happy with 10 million, though. So don't say that, Ty. It's a no money Friday for me. Hey, me too, newbie. It's okay, Queen. That's not the problem. We're not supposed to grab every move, but the fact that it's moving and giving us opportunity is all we can ask for. It's here. It's playing. It's just up to us to grab it. My short today in gold was from the 4180s with 10 micros. If I held until open, it's like a $15,000. Spitz, that's nuts, King. I saw that sell-off. From the gold sell-off today is fucking insanity. Up at the what? High of day was the 215s, and you grabbed the 180s. I mean, that's a sexy short too, King. And you, woo, look at you got out before the fun happened. Just one direction down. Unreal on gold. But hey, Spitzy, good trading, King. NASDAQ about to go open flip positive for the day. We're 5 points from flipping positive on the day. And it just flipped positive. Jesus Christ. Unreal, family. From a 24,624 NASDAQ to the 25,100s. Flipping positive on the day. Preach. Let's go, Jay. I was missing the pump, man, and I'm deep in the reds this week. I'm looking for some longs now. Stay humble and healthy. Coming back even stronger. Yes, sir, Richner. Hey, man, I've had a tough week too, but that's the thing, baby. I've had a tough week, but still a great year. You know what I'm saying? We're not defined by the small ones, and we don't get paid to be correct just to make more than we lose. So, head up, brother. We come back next week even stronger. Who is printing on NQ in the chat? Who is printing? Where are my winners at? I know the winners usually probably already got out. I know Amine grabbed 100 points this morning early. Danny grabbed like 200-something points. Yeah, she was up in a 200-point trade. She crushed. Now Maxie was in, but he got out early. Ah, there she is. Good morning, Jaleesa. Welcome in, Queen. Happy Friday. Happy having you here, Queen. Let's go. 230 was the gap fill, too, yesterday. Oh, my God. That's a great point. Just 230 was the gap fill yesterday, and we were like, oh, wow, we're going to get there. We're going to get there. And then we just kept dying, and now we're just about closing that gap. We are really close to high a day now. Insane. $800 here. Hey, free money Friday for Matrix. See, he's printing. Let's go, King. I made 800 on 5 straight to funded, but for consistency, I had to get out. 1,800, though, Queen. Come on. Drop a W for Jaleesa. Let's go. Hey, I understand, but you did what you could. You did what you had to. A little bit of consistency rule does hurt on a day like this. 400 and nope, more now. 500 points, family. 500 point range in an hour and 15 minutes. Life fucking changing. I love it. Do you think gold will keep going up? Let's see. Take a look, Spitzy. I personally do like the support that we found at these 4,000s. Right now we're kind of consolidating. I do think we have continuation to the upside here potentially. I does. But at the same time, I'm not fully sure just because NASDAQ is looking so bullish, but I mean, you can't make this shit up. Look at the strength. Are you fucking serious? This is unreal. No, this is unreal, and it's even more unreal that I get kicked at this fucking... Look how much more goofy my trade looks now. How? Why did we not get any love? Come on. I love it. Everybody's showing W's. Congrats, Jaleesa. Are you still doing Apex next week, too? I don't think so, Queen. I think next week we're going to be trying MFF, My Funded Futures, because... Apex doesn't have any more of their discounts, so I don't really want to spend full price for the accounts. So I am going to be, wow, NASDAQ is up 1/3% now. It's just fucking insane, guys. So yeah, next week's gonna be MFF, I think, Jaleesa, and then maybe back to Apex once they bring their promos back, probably around Thanksgiving. I'm hoping they have some type of Thanksgiving promos that we can take advantage of. Very weak lows on gold, though. Let's go. Now I'm in the green. Nas going crazy. Let's go, Rich. Love hearing it, King. Way to grab this momentum. It is going wild. It's printing green on the day now. Instead of weak bottom on gold. Yeah, here we go, Spitzy. Here we go, King. We were just talking about them. They found some support. Longs look like they're in on gold. I'd be riding this momentum to the upside. I really would. And NASDAQ, same thing. Every market ripping. Yeah, Spitzy, they're ripping. Real money is made by letting the winning trades continue and cutting the losers. I know it's easier to say, hard to do. Yes, it is, Snatch. But you're right, King. That is the way to make money. That's one of the things I'm a little upset about with Apex. I think I got good at that with Top Step. Is like, you know what? I'm going to let these motherfucking trades ride. When I get in one, I'm going to let it ride. You can't do that with Apex, at least not with their combines, and not really until you get out of trailing drawdown, just because you have to grab that quick momentum. So it's been making me feel like I have to relearn how to walk. Like I'm a deer with like new knees, and I'm learning how to waddle all over the place again. But we'll see. I like the opportunity Apex provides. You can grab 6-7 figure payouts. So to walk through that, you got to be able to handle a little bit of bullshit. That's fair. It's a fair trade. Man, you called it on gold. Yeah, we did, TLR. We really did. We knew she was going to find some support here, and she did. And now she's continuing to the upside here. See what happens. See what happens. I like it. I like it to continue at least maybe up in towards, you know, just 100 probably view up. Excuse me. Mamma mia. NASDAQ pushing up is unreal. This is 550 points from the bottom. Yep. 550 points. Targeting 4120s. I like that. Right before, yeah, view up is pretty much what I'd be targeting too, Spitzy. I like that, King. You have to gamble until above trailing is all, but after the payout potential is good. Yep. That's the truth. Hey, Apex, don't hate us, but that's the truth. You got a full port to get out of combines. You got to gamble. Literally just gamble. And then once you get out of the gambling phase, you can actually turn into a trader all over again and then start taking the potential for a massive 6-7 figure payout. So I'm going to gamble for a little while, keep throwing money at Apex until I get to their funded. Then once I get funded, I'm going to start turning the trading game back on and going for that 6-7 figure payout. Realistically, 6 figures, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We need a CPI or something for Apex. Don't say that too loud, Jaleesa. But yeah, you're totally right, Queen. Just something, just an easy volatility. I would say today is the type of day. I mean, think about it this way, family. Almost, you could have just bought at any point and just crushed. Almost. Look how fucking vertical this is. You can't even make it up. You just cannot make that shit up. These are the type of days that we want. Yo, someone let me know real quick how many likes we got. Because I'm about to get out of here, family. About to end the week on a strong note. Hope everybody had a stellar week. And more importantly, has a great weekend moving forward. Keep that mindset and that momentum moving. Today is way more volatile than FOMC and NFP shit. I know, that's what I'm saying. 550 points to the upside is just... These are the days we beg for. This is a life-changing opportunity, family. Yeah, I got cooked today, but it happens. You're allowed to hedge. A guy does it consistently on YouTube. You're allowed to hedge. A guy does it consistently on YouTube. You are allowed. You are allowed. All right, family. We're wrapping it up. I fucking love you guys. Great trading out of all of our winners today. Out of all the losers, heads up. Keep that focus. Keep that mindset right because next week's a new opportunity. Today, you just witnessed 550 points in the NASDAQ just in the New York session. The amount of opportunity there should give you guys so much motivation. Moving forward, we can change our lives at any single moment, at any single day. Keep that shit locked in your brain. Remember what we're trading for. What are we trading for? Let me know real quick before we get out of here. Let me know what we're trading for. Drop the trading for freedom because this is what we're doing this shit for. Incredible opportunities like today. Life-changing, guys. Let's go, Danny. I love it. Danny, TLR, Jaleesa, Jay, Matrix, Newbie, Spitz. Appreciate you for coming back, Spitzy. Snatch, Savage, Jay, Alcolonia, all you guys, Richner. Seriously, this stream wouldn't be the same without you, Sobs. I appreciate you guys for spending your days, spending your time. Let's get better next week. Reload. Enjoy your weekends. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. I love the freedoms in the chat, baby. That's what we're trading for. I'll catch you guys next week. Take care. And the fun will roll Monday. All right? I love you guys. Peace.